Sing. What is your saying?
Galo, lo, tayo, galo. Hey, is this a bad word? Am I saying a bad word?
No, galulu. Maglulu ta.
Yeah,
Is that
I'm
a bad
just trying to translate. I've been moving.
Yeah, galulu.
Moving.
Galulu ta.
Tayo, galo. Tayo,
You can say, bis, maglulu ta.
Magluluta.
Yeah, you can say also,
Oh, I should add magluluta in the music.
Lulu na.
Lulu na.
Yeah, that's the best. Yeah.
Ikaw maglulu.
Cause G. Maglulu ta. You shout.
Yeah.
You shout. Maglulu na.
Maglulu na. What is maglulu? Please.
Moving.
Okay.
It's moving.
Ako galo.
Ikaw naglulu?
Ako galo.
Ikaw naglulu na?
Maglulu na.
Oh, yeah. I'm always lulu.
I've been moving.
Kupal ka ba? Ano say, kupal ka ba? Ano say, kupal ka ba?
Ano kupal? Kupal ka ba? What do you mean? Kupal ka ba?
Can you say, kupal ka ba? Yes, say.
Kupal ka ba?
Yeah.
What does it mean?
That's a question. You ask someone.
Yeah, I understand it's a question.
Ba. That's word ba. Kupal ka ba? Again.
Kupal ka ba?
Yeah.
Translate in English.
English, are you mad? Like that. Are you mad? Like someone is angry.
What is angry in Tagalog? I think angry is another word.
Yeah, galit.
Ikaw galit?
Yeah, kupal ka ba? Mas better you say, kupal ka ba? Yeah. That's much better
Kupal
word.
ka ba?
Yeah, are you mad?
Wala.
Hindi. You say, ikaw lang kupal.
Ikaw lang kupal.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying you're mad. No,
Kas G.
Yeah.
No, you're not saying bad. I'm your teacher, Tagalog teacher. I'm a good teacher. You believe in me, okay?
What is teacher in Tagalog?
Teacher is guru.
Guru?
Yeah,
Tagalog guru?
Yeah.
That's Indian.
What?
Yeah, guru.
Teacher in Indian also guru?
Yeah, guru.
Oh my goodness, it's almost the same.
Yeah.
Wow. I learned a new language.
Guru, that's master in Hindi.
Can you say tarugu?
Darugu?
Yeah, that's tarugu.
Darugu, what is that?
Tarugu, that's guru. Sounds guru. Yeah.
You know what Darugu means in my language?
What?
Pepe.
Oh my goodness. Are you sure?
Yeah, Darugu.
No, you're kidding, right?
No, I'm serious. In my own language, Darugu means Pepe.
Pepe for boy?
Oh, Pepe for food. Pepe, like tomato and pepper.
My goodness.
Yeah, Pepe.
Pepe is a word in your language?
Yeah, Darugu.
Oh, pepe is a food, huh?
A vegetable.
Yeah, I like
Darugu.
pepe too.
Yeah.
I like pepe.
Pepe,
Yeah, I like pepe too.
tomato and all those. So Darugu is that.
You say hi to our vlog. Hi vlog.
Hi, blog.
Welcome to my guys. You see?
Welcome to my blog, guys.
Yeah, correct grammar.
Welcome to my guys.
Okay, say paalam na. Say paalam.
Paalam na. Paalam.
You know paalam?
Yeah, I know paalam. Bye.
Yeah. That's all.
I'm a slow